All right, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to help you with the first part in this one for today, and kind of see if this will help you get the second two parts done. All right, so let's start with the first one. It says A. The second grade student is 4 feet tall. Oops, we're going to go red. 4 feet tall, and her teacher is 5 2/3 feet tall. So I got my one student. Okay, she is 4 feet tall. And I got my teacher. She is 5 2/3 feet tall. All right. Now we're going to come at this one just algorithm wise. Okay, this is based on exactly what Miss Tyler did in her presentation. So first thing we're going to do is we are going to set this up. We're going to divide the student's height by the teacher's height to ultimately find out how many times taller the student is, how many times taller or as tall as the teacher. Okay. So now we're going to change these. So I'm going to take my 4 and I'm going to change that into an improper fraction. So I got 4/1 divided by, I'm going to take the 5 2/3 and I'm going to multiply 5 times 3, which is 15, plus 2, which is 17, over 3. Got that. Then we're just going to move over. So I have my 4/1, but I'm going to change it to multiplication from division. And to do that means I need to give the reciprocal of 17/3, and that's going to be 3/17. And I'm just going to multiply straight across. 4 times 3 is 12. 1 times 17 is 17. Okay? And she said here, you do not need to simplify your answer. So we are going to leave our answer there. Now, so if you look at number 2, it says, what fraction of the teacher's height is the student's height? We're going to hold off on that right now, but look at number 1. The student is blank times as tall as the teacher. Well, she is 12/17 times the teacher. But I am just going to very quickly, do it on this screen, I am just going to very quickly divide that. And when I take 12/17 and turn it back into a decimal, I should get 0.71. Okay, personally, I like that a little bit better. 0.71 times as tall as the teacher. So had you done it the other way, in other words, had you had 5 2/3 divided by 4, you would have come up with a much different number, okay, which would have been over 1. So my point in showing you the decimal is because the student is shorter than the teacher by 1 2/3 feet. Okay, so the answer had to be less than 1. Now, I know you knew that based on the fraction. Okay, you know that 12/17 is less than 1. All right, but to me, it's just a little bit better to see that 0.71. Okay, so the student is 0.71 times as tall as the teacher, or the student is 12/17 times as tall as the teacher. Okay, all right. Technical difficulties. Hold on. There.